Hello students, welcome to math class. Today we are going to do question number 11 of exercise 6.3 of chapter 6. Here in question number 11, in the given figure is given for this question. E is a point on side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC. If AD is perpendicular to BC, meaning this angle will be of 90 degree, and EF is perpendicular to AC, it means this angle is of 90 degree. Prove that triangle ABD, this one triangle, you have to prove triangle similar to triangle ECF. Now, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC is given. Therefore, in figure, angle B is equal to angle C, angle opposite to equal sides. Now, in triangle ABD and ECF, we see that angle ADB is equal to angle EFC is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because AD perpendicular to BC and EF perpendicular to CF जो है ये आपको गिवन है, एंड इसमें एंगल C इज इक्वल टू एंगल B, ये भी आपको क्या है, गिवन है. तो देयरफॉर बाय AA सिमिलैरिटी रूल triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. Very simple question, hence proved. Now come to next question. Read the question and draw its figure. Let us start question number 12. Sides AB and BC and median AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and QR and median PM of triangle PQR, and figure is not given, and we can see the figure, and we have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Here in figure you can see AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR and AD by PM. Medians proportion में given है, and we have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now what we have to do? AB is equal to PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AD by PM. This is given. And as D and M are midpoints of BC and QR, therefore BC को हम लिख सकते हैं डबल ऑफ BD and QR is equal to double of QM. So it means BC and QR को we can replace. So we get AB by PQ is equal to double of BD by double of QM is equal to AD by PM. Now 2 is cancelled with 2, and you see that therefore sides of triangle ABD and triangle PQM, because these are the sides of triangle ABD and PQM, are proportional तो देयरफॉर एंगल, ये आपकी ट्रायंगल ए बी डी इज सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल पी क्यू एम बाय एस 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 सिमिलैरिटी रूल. So we get angle B is equal to angle Q and AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. We are already having. So therefore in triangle ABC and PQR we have AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. This is given. So you can say, so by SAS similarity rule, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Hence proved. Now question number 13. D is a point on side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. The figure for this question is not given. We have to draw its figure ourselves. Here the triangle is ABC and it is given that D is any point on BC such that angle ADC, and I have named this angle as angle 1, is equal to angle BAC, meaning complete angle A जो है वो उसके ये angle 1 and I have given name BAC as angle 2, meaning angle 1 and 2 आपको equal given है and we have to prove CA square is equal to CB into CD. So what we have to do for its proof? In triangle ACB and in triangle DCA, ACB and DCA, angle C is equal to angle C. This is common among these two triangles. And angle 2 is equal to angle 1. This is given to you. Therefore, by AA similarity rule, triangles are similar. And then we can write the ratio. Now we can write the ratio. AC by DC is equal to CB by CA is equal to AB by AD. When we multiply first two ratios, cross multiply इनको हम करेंगे, we will get CA square is equal to CB into CD. Hence proved. Again a very simple question. Now question number 14. It is an important question beta and you have to do it very carefully. Sides AB and AC and median AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the sides PQ and PR and median PM of triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Question number 12 and question number 14 both are similar questions, but there is a great difference between these two questions and you have to practice these two questions very carefully. Question number 14 में AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR and AD by PM. This is given to us. And question 12 में AC by PR के place पर आपको BC by QR का रेशियो सेम गिवन था एंड वी हैव टू प्रूव फॉर द बोथ ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस इज सेम. उसमें भी हमें ट्राइंगल्स को सिमिलर प्रूव करना था एंड सेम इज इन दिस क्वेश्चन. हियर वी आर डूइंग अ कंस्ट्रक्शन. हियर ड्रॉ DE पैरेलल टू AC एंड MS पैरेलल टू PR. D से DE को AC के पैरेलल ड्रॉ करना है एंड फ्रॉम MS को PR के पैरेलल ड्रॉ करना है. In class 9 students, we have studied midpoint theorem and here we are applying the converse of midpoint theorem because in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AC by construction and D is midpoint of BC given. So by converse of midpoint theorem, we get that E is also midpoint of AB and length of DE will be half of AC. Similarly, in triangle PQR, we get that SM is equal to half of PR. These two. And we are already having AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. This is already given to us. Here we can replace AC and PR by double of DE and double of SM. So we can write AB by PQ is equal to double of DE by double of SM is equal to AD by PM. Again 2 is cancelled and in figure C what do we get? We get AB by PQ and AB को again हम लिख सकते हैं double of AE and PQ को we can write double of PS is equal to DE by SM is equal to AD by PM. Again these two will cancel out and we get AE by PS is equal to a DE by SM and AD by PM. So this gives you by SSS similarity rule triangle ADE similar to triangle ADE is similar to triangle PMS. Now these two triangles are similar, so we get in figure angle 1 is equal to angle 2. We get angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because these two triangles are similar, therefore their corresponding angles will be equal. Now we get angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Similarly, if we draw the parallel line here parallel to AB, then following the same steps we will get in figure angle 3 is equal to angle 4. इसी टाइप से हमें एंगल 3 जो है वो एंगल 4 के इक्वल मिल जाएगा. नाउ एंगल 1 2 के इक्वल है एंड एंगल 3 4 के इक्वल है. Therefore, on adding these angles, we will get angle A is equal to angle P and AB by PQ, AC by PR already आपको given है and now we are having angle A is equal to angle P and angle A and angle P are included angles. So by SAS similarity rule, triangle ABC will be similar to triangle PQR. Now we have to write these steps. Here we get angle A is equal to angle P and AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR already given. Therefore, by SAS similarity rule, we get triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Hence proved. Students, you can try question number 15 and 16 of this exercise yourself. Thank you.